Guys, nakakapagod. Nakakapagod. Daming mga gawain. Ha? Hala! Nag-post ng bagong live si Kuya Renz. Kailangan ko na ng bagong polo. Tamang-tama to.
Okay, let us start, guys. Welcome ulit sa ating live selling session for tonight. So, today or tonight, rather, we have very interesting news para sa inyo because we have two new things na pwede nyo bilhin. So, what is these two things na baka magustuhan nyo or baka kailangan nyo? So, I am going to state it now. Drum roll. Sa mga naghahanap ng polo dyan, white polo, maganda, makintabang kulay, puting-puti, maganda ang tela, baliktaran syempre, and especially, very affordable na lang to, guys. 800 pesos na nga lang. As you can see, makapal yan, guys, baka sabihin nyo hindi eh. O yan na, guys. Yung kwelyo, tigas pa, guys. So, ang size pala nito is double XL. Pero meron tayong sizes, guys, na XL and large. So, if maghanap kayo, guys, dito na kayo bumili, guys. 800. Meron din tayong variation yan, guys, which is iba naman ang tela niya. But also, 800 pesos na lang. Ito naman is, ang feature niya is, tago yung ano niya, like yung buttons niya, guys, kung i-ano nyo. So, kung i-button nyo sa lahat, tago yung magiging, ano niya, design. So, also 800, guys. Matingkad din naman ang kulay, syempre. And also, maganda ang tela, guys, makapal. So, alam nyo, pag sinuot nyo to, maiinitan kayo, pero sa mainit na maganda ang suot nyo, guys. Tiis ganda tayo. Ay, tiis pogi pala. So, ayan, guys. Ito na yung dalawa. Bakit po naka-unbutton? Sinuot nyo na po ba yan? Ay, hindi po, guys. Chinek ko lang, baka kasi may ibang ano kasi na nakadikit na yung button. So, ayan, guys. Ba't ko naman isusuot? Grabe ka naman. So, 800. And ang size pala nito is, ito yung, ang size naman nito is extra large lang. Mas malaki yung kanina, which is double extra large. So, ayan, guys. Wala po ba kayong So, ito ulit, guys, yung una. 800. Baliktaran, 800.
800
also, guys,
para sa polo?
Meron tayong
Kaya
discount
ba yan sa budget
para sa mga
ko?
first buyers natin and para sa mga
Wait lang.
students natin dyan.
Wait, may discount
Nag-accept po
pala?
tayo
May
ng
student
15% discount para sa mga students. Basta,
Mga magkano
by ordering,
kaya?
isa-set nyo sa akin yung ID nyo.
Calculate
Then,
mo.
i-compute na natin yan, guys. Mabilisan. So, ayan na, guys. Check out na kayo. Check out na. 800.
Uy, tamang-tama. Kumasya sa budget ko. Makakabili ako ng bagong polo.
Malamang dope, nag-coke, nag-broke kasi hindi ka nag-behave. Dami na bullshit na nangyari. Sige, tsagaan mo lang buong biyahe. Sige, sumagat na puto lang tali. E di lumipad bago lumaghari. Dami patalim, galing mo magtari. Bago dumilim, tawagin ng pare. Bago tumikim, isipin kung bakit. Sige palihim mo lang ginagamit. Kasi back time when I need to get off pain. Don't lie, get a weed, making more J's. Getting high, gotta leave in my own way. Tongue tied, I believe in my own faith. The vibe is making me crazy, baby, I'm out in vain. I'll keep on pushing and proving till I reach heaven's gate.
Can you provide your student ID to avail your student discount?
Hindi ka nag-behave. Dami ng smoke, nag-load, na-dope, na-choke, tapos nag-elevate. Malamang dope, nag-coke, na-broke kasi hindi ka nag-behave. Dami ng smoke, nag-load, na-dope, na-choke, tapos nag-elevate. Malamang dope, nag-coke, na-broke
So guys, if meron pa kayong inquiries, meron pa tayong, if pwede, if gusto nyo humabol, next time, meron pa naman tayong next time guys. So, yung mga nakapag-order ngayon, thank you very much and I hope you enjoyed our live session. Yun lang guys, thank you. Good evening guys, this is the aftermath of our live selling session kanina and these are the orders that we have received earlier. So, nakatanggap tayo ng orders which are 2 pieces of polo, 1 piece of polo, and 2 pieces of slacks. And all of this came with a discount. So, isa-solve naman natin ngayon yung total profit natin tonight. Now, but first, kailangan nating i-identify yung mga given natin. Okay. So, our original cost for each polo and slacks is 600 for polo, 550 for slacks. Then, our selling price for polo is 800 and for slacks it's 750. But with student discount, which is 15%, polo only costs 680 while slacks only costs 637.5. Now, we are going to solve first profit without discount. So, the total profit or the total revenue for tonight is 3,900 pesos. And the total cost for each polo and slacks is 2,900 pesos. Now, our formula is profit equals total revenue minus total expenses. So 3,900 minus 2,900 gives us our 1,000 pesos total profit without discount. Now, this is not our final answer. Okay, we are now going to solve with the discount. So again, similar process. Our total revenue for tonight is without, or rather with discount, is 3,315 pesos. And the cost is the same, which is 2,900. So let us compute. Profit equals 3,315 minus 2,900 pesos equals 415 total profit with discount.
Several days later.
Don't lie, get a weed, making more J's. Getting high, gotta leave in my own way. Tongue tied, I believe in my own faith. That vibe is making me crazy, baby, I'm out in vain. I'll keep on pushing and proving till I reach heaven's gate. Dami ng smoke, nag-load, na-dope, na-choke, tapos nag-elevate. Malamang dope, nag-coke, na-broke kasi hindi ka nag-behave. Dami ng smoke, nag-load, na-dope, na-choke, tapos nag-elevate. Malamang dope, nag-coke, na-broke kasi hindi ka nag-behave. Dami ng smoke, nag-load, na-dope, na-choke, tapos nag-elevate. Malamang dope, nag-coke, na-broke kasi hindi ka nag-behave. Dami ng smoke, nag-load, na-dope, na-choke, tapos nag-elevate. Malamang dope, nag-coke, na-broke kasi hindi ka nag-behave. Parang isang pelikula. Mga liriko nakakalibang. Sa utak galing pero di ako buwang. Wait for a minute, bago ka lang kaya manahimik. Di ka ginigimik, alamin na limit. Bago makapasok dapat di ka pala silip.